Today, Carbon Clean are in Greece at the Mediterranean Exhibition Centre. We're supporting two of our distributors. Let's go and check out the show. So as you can see, the show is very busy. We've got brands from all over the world to showcase their products in Greece. I'm here with Apostolos from ANIP. How do you find the show and why do you like our machines?
So, Isabel, thank you that you are here, let's say. Welcome in Greece. In any case, the fair is taking place after 10 years, so we are very happy. We're very glad that we are distribute Carbon Clean here in our stand. Up to now, the first 2 days we have very good successful. More than 1,100 people arrived here. We have the details. We have a very big interesting about the products. Up to now, more than 10 units, something like that, sold
Fantastic.
out, and yes, we are moving. The product is quite good. It's
So
okay.
we will look forward to carrying on to support you, and we wish you every success in Greece and the surrounding areas.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you that you are here.
So whether you're a distributor or an independent garage and want to find out about the benefits of our machines, then please do get in touch.